To withdraw money from SoFI at an AllPoint ATM, start by locating a nearby ATM using the AllPoint website or the SoFI app, which provides access to a network of 55,000 fee-free ATMs across the U.S., conveniently situated in locations such as Target, CVS, and pharmacies. Once you've found an ATM, the process is straightforward. Insert your SoFI debit card into the designated slot, then wait for the prompt to enter your 4-digit PIN, which you can do using the conveniently located PIN pad below the screen. After entering your PIN, tap the Enter or Next button on the screen. The ATM will then ask if you want your available account balances printed on a receipt. If not, select the Main Menu option. From the main menu, choose from 3 options: Get Cash, Transfer, or Print Balance. Selecting Get Cash will prompt you to choose an amount, with options including $20, $40, $60, $80, and $100. Be aware that the ATM has a default daily limit of $300 per account, and SoFI also has its own withdrawal limit. After selecting an amount, the ATM will prepare your cash, then instruct you to take your card from the slot. Within a few seconds, the ATM will dispense the cash from the slot below. Finally, the ATM will thank you for using it, and the transaction will be complete.